Hi everyone. Still we are not able to find solution for some of the viruses. Say for example coronavirus, HIV virus. So still now we don't have any particular medication or the treatment for these diseases. Why? Next we will be using this remdesivir for the treatment of the corona. So what is this remdesivir and how these drugs are going to be utilized? Okay, to know this today we are going to discuss about the topic antiviral drugs. So these are the drugs which will act against the virus. So if you see this, first we will see the structure of the virus. So normally this is a nucleic acid which is circulated by a core protein. Upon the core there will be a specific layer is called as envelope. So and these projections are called as spikes. These spikes are useful for the attachment or absorbing a particular cell or tissue. So these are highly immunogenic in nature. So this envelope is protecting this virus. So the protecting this virus, once it infect this host cell, is going to be releases nucleic acids. So as you see this, there is no any cellular machineries. I mean to say that there is no ribosomes, lysosomes, mitochondria, etc., etc. So only, so it has only the nucleic acid. So normally it utilizes the host machinery since it is a intracellular parasites. So here virus has a different tropism. Tropism in the sense the virus can affect only a certain type of tissues or cells. Say for example encephalitis. The virus measles and arbovirus. Encephalitis, it can the infection caused in the brain. Pharyngitis, upper respiratory tract, example adenovirus, Epstein-Barr virus. Cardiovascular, the virus is Coxsackie. Hepatitis virus, normally it is going to target into the liver, hepatitis A, B, C, D, E, etc. Skin, Varicella zoster, herpes virus, smallpox. Pneumonia, SARS, corona. Myelitis, poliovirus, and GAT, rotavirus, STD, HIV virus. I mean to say the specific virus has specific target cells. So I mean to say the availability of the machinery is available that particular type of cells only. So that is the reason why they can target only specific type of cells. So for example hepatitis B and C. So hepatitis B is a DNA virus and hepatitis C is a RNA virus. Here I mean to say the nucleic material. If it is DNA, so that is called as hepatitis B virus. If it is RNA, it is hepatitis C virus. So example for the hepatitis C virus or the HIV virus, coronavirus, etc. So normally these drugs, antiviral drugs are analogs of purines and pyrimidines. So first we will see the basic life cycle of the virus. So normally virus is going to be absorbed by using these epitopes on the cell surface. So this absorption is going to be facilitated by specific receptors. So once it is bind to a specific receptor, is going to be internalized this virus. So once while it is internalizing, so it will leave its envelope outside of the cell and only the core region is going to be entering into this. So after the entering into this, so it will penetrate towards this cytoplasm. After penetration, so there will be uncoating process, in the sense this core region is going to be dissolved or diluted. So resulting of that, so naked DNA is going to be available. So here by using this DNA or RNA, so here there will be early protein synthesis going to be done by using the machinery of the cells. So in the sense the ribosomes are going to be available here. So here by using specific various enzymes and ribosomes, they are going to be prepare a specific enzymes. Okay, this may be DNA polymerase, this may be a reverse transcriptase enzyme, etc. So which will again helpful for this nucleus to increase in number. So if it is DNA virus, so DNA virus is going to be directly enter into the nucleus, it is going to be ligate with our host DNA. If it is a RNA virus, this RNA virus is going to be converted into by using the reverse transcriptase enzyme to DNA, and it will ligate with this. or the RNA virus is prepare the various proteins which is for new synthesis of the virus, that is called as late protein synthesis. So, later on that these proteins are going to be assembled properly, then is going to be break down the cell membrane and is going to be liberated from the cell. So, some lakhs and crores of the virus are going to be generated. So, that causes the diminishing of the functioning of the cells. So, for example, this is a liver cell. So, all the metabolism process are going to be inhibited, only the machinery is going to be concentrated on the viral production only. So, resulting the functionality is going to be diminished. Okay. So, normally to treat this category, so normally we use the drugs which are nucleus analogs, normally purines and pyrimidines. Okay. So, these are going to be involved in the synthesis of this DNA. Okay. So, this DNA, when it is DNA polymerase there will be formation of n number of this DNAs by using this purine and pyrimidine. If it is mRNA is there, if RNA virus is there, so RNA has to be converted into the DNA. For that again they needs this purine and pyrimidine. Once it is DNA prepared, so again there will be a number of copies are going to be prepared. So, these copies are going to be again assembled and prepare the new virion. So, I mean to say, for this process the virus needs a lot of purines and pyrimidines. I mean to say the adenine, guanine, thymine, cytosine. So, these nucleotides are very much required for the synthesis of the virus. So, here what we can do is we can prepare the analogues of these nucleotides, thereby we can inhibit the protein synthesis. So, here for example, if you see this acyclovir, so it is completely similar to in case of the purines. So, similar structure along with the purine, but only there is a functional group is added to this particular group. So, that causes this is going to be incorporated into the DNA, but the thing is it cannot functional because this functional unit. So, thereby the process is going to be inhibited. So, the famous drug remdesivir. So, here the drug has again the similar structural similarity with the purine. So, where is going to be bind a specific enzymes responsible for the transcription and translation. So, in that way these drugs are going to be inhibit the viral replication. So, here we will see like various drugs. So, here the drugs which will inhibit the attachment. So, normally as we discussed, some specific receptors are involved in the entry of this virus. So, what we do is by using this monoclonal antibodies we will block these specific receptors. Example, efuviretide and dorsoconol. So, normally these are going to be block these specific receptors, hence the virus cannot enter into the cell. Next second category of the drugs, penetration inhibitors. So, normally in the penetration, so these can be inhibited by the interferon alpha. These are the indigenous preparation of these chemicals. But by using the recombinant DNA technology, we can in vitro also we can prepare this. This is a very effective not only in the inhibition of the penetration, but in the proliferation of this virus. Next process, uncoating. So, once it is entered into this, the outer coat has to be taken off. This process is called as uncoating, and where the naked DNA is going to be exposed. So, here uncoating process can be inhibited by amantadine and rimantadine. So, these are isolated from the mushrooms. Next, inhibition of early protein synthesis. So, here once DNA is released, so essential enzymes are required for the proliferation of the DNA. So, this viral proteins synthesis can be inhibited by formiviracin, nucleic acid synthesis blockers. So, as we discussed here, as these are the analogues of the nucleotides, so we can inhibit the further replication. Example, acyclovir, remdesivir, etanercept, etc. Late protein synthesis. So, after preparation of the nucleus, here capsid has to be prepared and it has to be assembled. So, this capsid prepare is going to be inhibited here. Example, methicillin. Next, packing and assembly inhibitors. So, here at particular this area, these are going to be inhibit the packing of this virion into this particular capsid. So, thereby the virus cannot be prepared. Example, rifampin. So, these are the various drugs are act at a different stages of this cycle. Okay, thereby we can inhibit the proliferation of the virus. Okay, hope this video is useful. Thank you.